English Anyone, Lesson 15, Past Simple and Future Simple. Hey there, I'm Drew. What's your name? Today I'm happy. How are you today? I speak English. I have a red shirt. Listen and watch. To be, past simple. I was not. I wasn't. You were not. You weren't. He, she, it was not. He, she, it wasn't. We, they were not. We, they weren't. To be, future simple. I, you, he, she, it, we, they will not be, won't be. I'll, you'll, he'll, she'll, it'll, we'll, they'll not be. Today is sunny. Today's sunny. It's sunny today. Yesterday was snowy. Was yesterday snowy? Yes, it was. Yesterday was snowy. Tomorrow will be windy. Tomorrow will be windy. Will tomorrow be rainy? No, it won't. It'll be windy. I will be between the rocks. I'm between the rocks. Am I between the rocks? Yes, I am. I won't be between the rocks. I was between the rocks. The monkeys are on the ground. A monkey'll be on my leg. This monkey is thirsty. This monkey wants my water. These monkeys were thirsty. These were thirsty monkeys. To do, past simple. I, you, he, she, it, we, they did not do, didn't do. To do, future simple. I, you, he, she, it, we, they will not do, won't do. I'll, you'll, he'll, she'll, it'll, we'll, they'll not do. Yesterday I did the laundry. Did I do the dishes yesterday? No, I didn't. I did the laundry yesterday. Tomorrow he will do the dishes. Tomorrow he'll do the dishes. Will he do the laundry tomorrow? No, he won't. He won't do the laundry tomorrow. He'll do the dishes. Past simple, regular verb rules. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. 1. Verb plus ed. Walk, walked. 2. Last letter e plus d. Shave, shaved. 3. Vowel plus y plus ed. Play, played. 4. Consonant plus y plus ied. Cry, cried. 5. One-syllable words. Short vowel plus consonant plus double consonant plus ed. Stop, stopped. Not w or x. Mix, mixed. 6. For two-syllable verbs with the final syllable stressed. Short vowel plus consonant plus double consonant plus ed. Admit, admitted. 7. For two-syllable verbs with the final syllable not stressed. Short vowel plus consonant plus ed. Happen, happened. Did not plus verb. Didn't plus verb. Regular verbs, future simple. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Will not plus verb. Won't plus verb. I'll, you'll, he'll, she'll, it'll, we'll, they'll. Not plus verb. The monkey played yesterday. Did the monkey play yesterday? Yes, it did. I'll prune a maple tree tomorrow. Will I prune a maple tree tomorrow? Yes, I will. Irregular verbs, past simple. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Past tense of verb. Did not plus verb. Didn't plus verb. Irregular verbs, future simple. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Will not plus verb. Won't plus verb. I'll, you'll, he'll, she'll, it'll, we'll, they'll. Not plus verb. I took a nap yesterday. Did I take a nap yesterday? Yes, I did. What did he do yesterday? He rode a bicycle. What will he do tomorrow? What'll he do tomorrow? Tomorrow he'll cut the plants. Listen and watch. Tomorrow I'll go to Mount Hiei. First, I'll take a train. Then I'll get off the train, walk, cross a bridge, see a pond, take a cable car, and take a ropeway. I'll see beautiful fall leaves and a big river. I'll eat a delicious snack and drink tea. I'll walk on a trail and see mountains. I'll visit Endyakuji's temples. A man will ring a bell. I'll ring the bell too. I'll wash my hands. I'll warm my hands too. Then I'll go down the mountain. Will I visit temples? Yes, I will. Will I see Chicago? No, I won't. I'll see mountains. Yesterday, I went to Mount Hiei. First, I took a train. Then, I got off the train, walked, crossed a bridge, saw a pond, took a cable car, and took a ropeway. I saw beautiful fall leaves and a big river. I ate a delicious snack and drank tea. I walked on a trail and saw mountains. I visited Ndyakuji's temples. A man rang a bell. I rang the bell too. I washed my hands. I warmed my hands too. Then I went down the mountain. Did I see a big river? Yes, I did. Did I ride my bicycle? No, I didn't. I took a train. Goodbye. For more great tips and lessons, and to get fluent in English faster with our free email video course, visit us at EnglishAnyone.com.